How to change language in Facebook Lite. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook Lite and then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. And from there click on Language. And here you will be able to find a large list of languages that you can choose from. So just click on any one of them to select it. And once you do that, the Facebook Lite language will be changed automatically to the specific language that you have chosen. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can edit the language on the Facebook Lite app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.